Get the bucket. Go to the machine. I got a cut machine.
Give all my money.
Joanna.
No. Joanna is my ex-girlfriend. She was terrible. I don't want to hear that name anymore. No more Joanna. She was from Morocco. She was terrible. Yeah, that was my ex-girlfriend. It's a real story. She was terrible. I didn't say you. You are not Joanna, right?
Rashida.
She was terrible.
Rashida, not Joanna.
She was terrible. I don't like her attitude.
I thought it was going to get out of the
Joanna is not your friend. She was very terrible.
Wow.
Even she can't stay in your house 2 days.
Woo!
Allez, vas-y, wesh. C'était pas la même chose. Oui, j'arrive. Je veux pas tous les liens. T'arrives où? Va au crédit agricole et reviens. Va à la caisse d'épargne. Tu connais la caisse d'épargne? Faut aller à la banque et revenir. Bon. Alexa. Only one person pay for the 3 songs. It's this girl and this guy. What should I do? Go upstairs and close the door? No, okay. You tell me stay a little bit. Maybe you guys gonna pay something this time. يلا حبيبي حطوا لنا ما في مشكلة حطي فلوس 1 2 3 4 5 يلا 10 يلا حبيبي يلا 10 يلا خلاص let's go.
Batal, tu connais ce mot? Batal, ça veut dire gratuit.
Ouais خلاص.
Batal.
Non, tahal. Okay guys. Are you ready guys? Only 4 people. Are you ready? Do you still have money? No. Alexa, do not play any song. Why you want me to play? You guys don't play anything.
She didn't listen to you, right?
Alexa, do not listen to this person. What can I play now?
C'est la vie.
Joanna.
No, Joanna, I told you she was terrible.
Girlfriend.
Okay, yalla Salabi. This guy. I know where you live, careful.
Yeah.
You owe me 2 camels from last year, remember? You went to Dubai, you didn't pay. Okay, you ready? Are you going? Very smart to have your shoes ready. You are smart girl. Okay, guys, can we start now? Wahed, Nen, Talata, Harba. You guys don't follow me.